Or the city lay at Hana. Why is TUILAEPA announcing his appeal and yet he was never a complainant? Or what is happening with our this week?
And then my question is, why did this person write the article without doing that proper research?
Who wrote this article?
It's on RNZ Pacific.
Like, or the city nga.
Yeah.
O lewo sau kia TUILAEPA announce mai le la ka ngoi apili. Le lo ke ua se vai nga langa le ka ngoi oko mai. O le unga lea o Sam ma sivai. Le ano o to mai le se lau iva vanu pages o le ata o le fatoa issue mai ana le laptop mo copy. O the city line o MAFAUFAU. I say ua kalango ai TUILAEPA le apili nga e le ikangi ia. He was not even one of the complainants. I thought ole apili, it's from a complainant. What's wrong with this old man?
Ele pega bila ko ili mongi faifu. Manga ifa fori moki.
Well, even with that, it is something because it was never a HRPP. It was not an opposition case. Tole, aye.
Yeah.
Ole harule ole mele ko inga area waka ka tulo lo fa fonga o fake. Ele waka ka siaki ma favor ko inga ko fa medical awang drug testing ko inga ai faila nga dementia fo ngale early stages or isa early dementia. What's wrong with him?
Well, ale TUILAEPA siaki kuskala. De vo peta dementia kuskala.
Yeah.
You know, you might be right.
Like, honestly, ole tulanga le wai ele ko fa vale aka ko inga ngaka. Wai ni mo ko sikala fa bengi. Se vai tanto ia ole amateur le ole tu inga.
Arvida News, that they bring it on RNZ, it is the most funded news company, one of the organizations in New Zealand, millions and millions every year. And when it comes to reporting to Samoa, it's the same.